Guys, finally GLM 5.1 is out, but I am waiting for their open source release because some days ago this person who is the lead at GLM, he posted on Twitter that don't panic, GLM 5.1 will be open source. So I am waiting for that, but now the question is that when it will be open sourced. Now on this GLM Discord server, here you see that this chat got leaked. The current model is still in the preview version. We will continue to optimize it based on everyone's feedback. So we have not open sourced it for now. We plan to open source this model and launch the official full version around April 6th or April 7th. So this is the expected date, April 6 or April 7, that GLM 5.1 may be open sourced. So when they will make it open sourced, then I will test this model and I will show you what are the power that this GLM 5.1 have. Now another news that I am getting from Claude, that they are testing some new model, which is the one of the model Mythos, and another model is the this capybara. Okay, so here you see, and this is the post from the co-founder and CTO of Hyperbolic. So he posted this news that Anthropic's new model capybara, compared to Claude Opus 4.6, capybara achieves dramatically higher scores in software decoding, academic reasoning, and cyber security. And according to Dario's previous interview, it might be a 10 trillion parameter model that cost $10 billion to train. Now, if you go to this Fortune, this interview or exclusive interview, that is the blog post they have written. So, Anthropic left details of an unreleased model, invite only CEO retreat. So, if you see in that blog post, it is written, after being contacted by Fortune, the company acknowledged that it is developing and testing with early access customers a new model that it said represented a step change in AI capabilities with significantly better performance in reasoning, coding, and cybersecurity than prior Anthropic models. We know that Anthropic has models Claude, Opus, and Sonnet, and Haiku, but these new models are actually better than all of their previous. Now, this is the leaked blog post that I have found on Twitter. Here you see that new name for the new tier of model, larger and more intelligent than our Opus model, which were until now our most powerful. Means Opus is the most powerful, but they are making this Mythos model, which is more powerful than the Opus. So we chose the name to evoke the deep connective tissue that links together knowledge and ideas. So that is why the name is Mythos. And compared to our previous based model, Claude Opus 4.6, Mythos gets dramatically higher scores on tests of software coding, academic reasoning, and cyber security, among others. Now, from this post here, you see we got the idea about this capybara. So capybara is also a large compute intensive model. It is very expensive for us to serve and will be very expensive for our customers to use. We are working to make the model much more efficient before any general release. So that means this capybara is more powerful than the Mythos, and Mythos is more powerful than the Claude Opus 4.6. We know that Claude Opus 4.6 is the most powerful model from Claude till now, but Mythos is more powerful than Claude Opus, and Capybara is more powerful than the Mythos, right? Now, another interesting news from Ollama, that they are now the official provider inside GitHub Copilot. So Visual Studio Code now integrates with Ollama with GitHub Copilot. Now for that, you need to go to your VS Code, and what you need to do, that here you see that, let me just show you. So whenever you will open your Copilot chat, if you have not installed this Copilot chat, then from the extensions, this marketplace, you can install this Copilot chat. Now after that, do that sign up, and you will find this kind of interface. So if I just click on this plus button, this kind of interface, and on the right hand side, follow my cursor, or if I make it large, then you see that it is asking me for the pickupping any model. Now if I go to this other model, and after that go to this manage models, and now you will find this kind of interface here. And now here you see that I have added this Hugging Face, Ollama and Open Router. So previously Ollama was not there, and to use the Ollama model we needed the help from client or a continue extension or root code, kilocode. Now this Ollama is there. So just click on this add models, and now you will find this Ollama here. And as I already have added this Ollama, so it is now showing this Ollama 2. Now if I just select this, and it will show you this localhost 11,434, which is the base URL for Ollama server. And now here you will find this Ollama. Now you will find that all of this model picker here, and it is showing this this kind of icon. Now to show all of this model on the right hand side in this chat option, what you need to do, that you need to just click on this icon. So if I just click on this icon, you will now see this model in this chat option, Glm 4.7 Cloud. Okay, so other models, and here you see Glm 4.7 Cloud from Ollama. Okay, so in this way you can actually use any kind of model from Ollama through GitHub Copilot chat. Now it is very easy. Okay, so these are the things that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope that this video is very helpful for you. If you found helpful, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like this video also. And don't forget to watch the other videos. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.